Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Get ready to experience what I call the joy of gig working. On this channel, here we talk about leveling up your profits and while having some fun while earning money as a part-time dasher or full-time dasher. Hi, I'm Anthony, aka Dash Master. You know who it is. Welcome. Hey, listen, I know what it feels like to deliver food and other items that comes along with these money-making apps such as Doordash, Ubereats, Grubhub, Instacart, Sparks, you name it. The list goes on and on and on. It can be a bit challenging and very, very stressful at times. And you guys know what I'm talking about. What you're going to get from this channel is the fun approach with a little ride-along twist of knowledge, app experience, and learning the pros and cons of these apps. Of course, you already know the flexibility and the freedom that comes along with being your own boss in the gig economy world. So whether you're just a beginner dasher or a long-time dasher, come in, be a part of this community. Join me as we both learn the possibilities of working these money-making apps. And let's just have some fun along the way. Don't miss out on the excitement and the fun atmosphere of this channel. Look out for some live shows, funny videos, ride-alongs, etc., etc. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and insight. And let's not forget tapping on that notification bell so you'll get an alert whenever I post new videos in the future. Thank you.